guys, my name is Shamika. For those that are new, thank you for subscribing, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Okay, y'all, today I'm coming at y'all with a video on how to do a quick wash and go with one styling product. That product is the Creme coconut milk for natural hair. It's a foaming mousse, and it's supposed to be like a curl quencher. And this is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like. And y'all, I think this is going to be my best friend, especially in the summertime. I'm using it now and I love it. So just imagine in the summertime, like, it dries really quick. I don't have to have a lot of products in my hair because it's kind of cold outside right now. So for me to have a lot of product in my hair is a no-no, only because it takes forever for my hair to dry, and it's not good to go outside with your hair cold, with your hair wet, not cold. So this is like, my hair dries up quick. I did use a diffuser today only because it's nighttime and I don't want to go to bed with my hair wet and I'm recording this video late. But normally I would just let it air dry. And it got no sulfates, no mineral oils, or petroleum, none of that. It said it is great for curl definition. It provides holes for twist outs, rod sets, and it tames frizz and add moisture and shine. You can use it on towel dry hair from roots to ends for definition. It said allow hair to air dry or use diffuser and style as desired. And I actually just used this for a quick wash and go on my hair. Like, I literally washed my hair, re-dyed it, and then I put this in it and called it a day. And my curls look really nice. Like, they're real defined. They're really nice. And I didn't do any extra because I wanted y'all to see how the product works. So I didn't do any extra like coiling with my fingers or anything. This is just straight product on hair. I just raked it through my hair, which I'm going to show y'all in the demo. But I just raked it through my hair. And that was it. Like, this is going to be bomb for the summertime. You know, you just mush it around in your hair real good, especially if you got curly hair. My hair is 3C 4A type. 3C more in the front, and then the 4A is more in the back area. But this works really good, y'all. I'm trying to tell you, this shit is the bomb. So I want y'all to see how I use it. So yeah, let's play the clip. Okay, so now y'all seen how I use the product. This is my second time using it, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's how much I've used so far, and that's my second time using it. So it's not too bad. It was only like $7.99 at my local beauty supply store, but you probably can get this cheaper at like Walmart or something like that for maybe about $6 or so. It doesn't cost that much, so it's really not that bad. And price wise, so like, you know, if you run out, just get you some more. Like, it really don't. Quick one product that'll get you done. I don't have a crunch on my hair or anything like that, so that's good that I don't have a crunch or nothing like that. My hair is real soft, nice and fluffy. Like, you really can't beat it. Like, I kept trying. I wanted to try some mousse, and this is my first time trying the mousse, and I like the Creme of Nature's brand because I also have this curling cream. The hydration curling cream is from the same line, and this works really good too, but I just don't like my hair to be wet like for a long period of time. Like, this is a quick do. I can put this in, blow dry my hair for like 5-10 minutes, and I'm dry. This actually takes longer for my hair to dry, so I prefer this over this, but I probably can get a longer do with this than this, if that makes sense. But it was a real quick one-stop shop, you know, just one product. I did use, and you will see in the video, I did use the Jane Carter solution. And I didn't use this as a styler. I used this as a leave-in conditioner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And then if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I'm almost 7,000. And I would love for you guys to join the channel and support your girl. I got a lot of videos coming this summer. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss no uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.